Good morning, everyone. This is Abhishek Pandey, research scholar at SCS VMV University, Kanchipuram. First of all, I would like to say thanks to BPS Women's University for giving me this platform to present my paper on title Application of Deep Learning in COVID-19 Research, a Comparative Study. Abstract: This deadly coronavirus COVID-19 was first appeared in Wuhan city of Hubei province in China, and it rapidly spread across the world and become pandemic. In India, around 1,73,000 COVID positive patients till date, and around 5,000 death has been recorded since the pandemic began. This virus has caused greater risk of life among our healthcare workers, farmers who need to go to their workplaces and exposed to this virus. Therefore, it is the need of R to to have an automatically diagnostic tool for COVID-19. Recent finding obtained using radiology imaging techniques suggest that such images contain salient information about COVID-19 virus, and therefore application of deep learning technique coupled with radiological imaging can helpful for the accurate detection of this disease and can also be assistive to overcome the problem of the lack of a specialized physician, especially in our remote villages. Therefore, it leads a research question, that is, can a machine learning and deep learning technology can be used to identify and screen COVID-19 patient from their computed tomography CT image, and what is the diagnostic accuracy from the computer? Research objective of this papers are to develop a deep learning assisted automated COVID-19 detection system so that we can reduce the risk of life of our healthcare providers, supporting staff and farmers whose life is at greater risk during this pandemic. According to WHO, COVID-19, which began with the reporting of unknown cause of pneumonia in Wuhan, Hubei province of China on December 31st, 2019, and has rapidly become a pandemic. Whatever the research that is currently available, mostly done by the Chinese researcher, and here we are going to discuss some research finding done by Chinese researchers. According to Jed Wei Ju and MG Jiang, the most common test technique currently used for COVID-19 diagnosis is RT-PCR, just radiological imaging such as computed tomography, CT, and X-ray have been vital role in early diagnosis of treatment of this disease. Due to the low RT-PCR sensitivity of 60 to 70%, even if negative results are obtained, symptom can be detected by examining. In the research of C. Long and H. Zhu, what they said at the beginning of this pandemic, Chinese clinical center had insufficient test kits, which are also producing high rate of false negative results. So doctors are encouraged to make diagnosis only on the basis of clinical and CT results. Radiological images obtained from COVID-19 cases contain useful information for diagnosis. Some studies have encountered changes in chest X-ray and CT images before the beginning of COVID-19 symptom. Therefore, coupling of radiological imaging and deep and artificial machine learning techniques can be helpful for automatic diagnosis of COVID-19 patients. Deep learning techniques have been successfully applied in identification of various infectious diseases, skin cancer classification, breast cancer detection, brain disease identification, and many more. Many radiological images have been widely used for COVID-19 detection. One researcher, Hamdan, used deep learning model to diagnose COVID-19 in X-ray images and proposed a model, COVID COVIDXNet model, that comprises 7 CNN layers. Wang and Wong proposed a deep learning model for COVID-19 detection, and they gave the name as COVIDNet, which obtained 92.4% accuracy in classifying normal, normal COVID, pneumonia, and COVID-19 classes, three classes. Other researchers like Loannis developed the deep learning model using 224 confirmed COVID-19 images, and their model achieved 98.7.5% accuracy and 93.48 success rate. Sethi and Behra classified the features obtained from various convolutional neural network CNN model with support vector machine SVM classifier. Next, methodology used. In this study, we have done a comparative study on various machine and deep learning algorithm using radiological images by different researchers, and most of them are Chinese researchers. Loannis in his research used VZZ19 method, and by using chest X-ray imaging, he found 224 COVID-19 positive cases and 700 pneumonia cases, and accuracy of that model was 93.48. And similarly, Wang and Wong uh, did a study with the COVID-NET architecture, and he found 53 COVID-19 positive cases and 526 COVID-19 negative cases and 8,086 healthy cases. And he also did by using chest X-ray imaging. Sethi and Behra used ResNet 50 plus SVM support vector machine architecture, and he found 25 COVID-19 positive and 25 COVID-19 negative cases, and accuracy of that model was 95.38%. Hampton in his study used COVIDNet architecture, and 25 COVID positive, 25 COVID negative, 90% accuracy was. Similarly, various researchers used different techniques, and out of these techniques, the researcher Zhu has used dark COVIDNet architecture, and in that architecture, what his observation was 219 COVID-19 positive cases and 224 viral pneumonia cases, and 175 cases were healthy patients, healthy people, and the accuracy was 98.8%. And out of these various architecture, dark COVIDNet has gave the best performance and accuracy rate. Now conclusion. In this study, we have discussed various machine and deep learning techniques that are used to perform COVID-19 detection accurately and quickly. As such, innovation in artificial intelligence technology that may be an outcome of the present crisis may require faster process in laying down appropriate mechanism for government and for governance of artificial intelligence for identification and detection of these infectious diseases. Thank you so much.